Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So here I am, I'm at Walgreens. I'm getting ready to do my Walgreens haul. I'm kind of excited about it. I'm thinking I'm gonna get everything for around 37 cents. We'll have to wait and see if everything works out as planned. But I'm gonna run into Walgreens, and unfortunately no Carmen today. I waited till Monday to go and she's at school. So it's just me, but let's go see what we can do. So the first deal I'm going to grab, and is my favorite deal because I love Pantene Pro V shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to grab one of each. They're on sale for $5 this week. They're regularly priced at $5.99. So grab two of them. That's $10 total. We're going to use a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So out of pocket is $8, but there's a $3 register reward that we're going to get, leaving the final cost at $5 total, or $2.50 each. Now, it's not the best price when we can get things for less than $1 on shampoo and conditioner, but it's one of my favorites, and I'm going to use it in a booster scenario, so it's going to be well worth it. All right, the next deal is with these very large bottles of Dove shampoo and conditioner. So it's actually the 18 fluid ounces. I've done deals before with the 12. They're regularly priced at $7.99, but this week they're on sale for $6. We're going to grab two of them at $12 total. We're going to use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, pay out of pocket $7, and get a $5 register reward, making them $2 total, or $1 each. And again, really, really good deal here for such a big bottle. And we're going to roll this into a spin booster deal, so it's going to be even less money. All right, so this next deal is going to be on some razors. We're going to end up grabbing two of them at $9.99. The first one I'm going to grab here is this Gillette Skin Guard razor that's regularly priced $11.99, but on sale for $9.99. We also have a 3 off 1 digital coupon that's going to attach to this. And then I'm going to grab this Gillette Venus Comfort Glide razor that's regularly priced at $13.49, on sale for $9.99 as well, with another 3 off 1 digital coupon. All right, so the two of these together equals to be a total of $19.98. Using the 3 off 1 for each coupon, so $6 total in coupons, is going to bring our out of pocket down to $13.98, and then we're going to get a $10 register reward. That's going to make these $3.98 total, or $1.99 each. It's such a great deal. Plus, we're going to put it in our spin booster, so it's going to be even more amazing. All right, so the next deal is going to be with the Colgate toothpaste. Feel free to grab the Colgate Optic White toothpaste or the Colgate Total toothpaste. They're regularly priced anywhere from $4.99 to $5.29, but on sale for $4.50 each. We're going to grab two of them for $9 total. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon that I have, but I know some people are saying they have 5 off 2, so if you do, that's going to be the better deal. I'm going to use the 4 off 2 digital coupon, pay $5 out of pocket, and get a $3 register reward, making the final cost $2 total, or $1 each. Now, I don't like to pay for toothpaste, but because we're going to be putting this in the spin booster, it's going to work out to make my other items cheap enough that I am okay with spending a few cents on some toothpaste. the way, check out the clearance here. So this is not my normal Walgreens, and there's hardly ever any clearance left, but look at these. We have some for $2.99, I think. I don't know, maybe this isn't that one. Cinnamon Roll Squish, which that is definitely not, and then Space Plush. I don't know if this is considered Space Plush, probably not, but $2.99 it looks like. And then we do have some down here for $11.99. Yeah, some Squishmallows for $9.99. Looks like some Wizard of Oz Squishmallows too. Definitely looking for some of those on clearance eventually. A great little bit of clearance here that my store never has. So I totally thought this was on clearance, but it's not. It's $4.99, but it's a sensory taco, and it just looks really funny. But there are some other ones that were on clearance, but looks like they're gone. So, but some other things here on clearance. So definitely check your clearance. It looks like there's some decent things that are in stock. So here is our final cart. I have 2 Dove shampoo and conditioners that are on sale for $6, totaling $12. I have 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that are on sale for $4.50 each, totaling $9. I have 2 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioners that are on sale for $5 each, totaling $10. And then I have 1 of the Venus Comfort Glide razors on sale for $9.99 and 1 of the Gillette Skin Guard razor on sale for $9.99, a total of $19.98. So everything here you see totals $50.98. Well, I'm going to use this 10 off $45 digital booster that I found in my account. Now, accounts will vary, but you should have some sort of digital booster that you could also use. Plus, I'm going to use the 5 off 2 Dove digital coupon, the 5 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, the 2 off 2 Pantene digital, and a 3 off 1 digital for the Venus and a 3 off 1 digital for the Gillette, leaving her out of pocket at $32.98. But I'm going to receive $10 in Walgreens cash, including a 50-cent for everything that it accumulates. And then we have a $5 register reward from the Dove, a $3 register reward for the Colgate, a $3 register reward for the Pantene, and a $10 register reward for the razors, leaving our final cost at $1.48 total. And that's going to be about 19 cents per item. I was walking in today thinking I was going to get everything for 37 cents, but it's going to be even better than that. All right, so I got all my haul. There is a coupon that didn't come off, and I don't know which one it is, but everything else worked out perfectly. I still got a really good deal, so I'm going to jump in here and see, and maybe I'll contact customer service to get that extra coupon back. All right, so let's check this out. I got my Pantene for $5 each, my Colgate for $9 total, 2 for $4.50. I had a $6 Dove, which, by the way, that was the issue with the coupon. The Venus and the Gillette razors for $9.99. All of the coupons except for the Dove came off. So the 2 are the manufacturer coupons to lower my out-of-pocket, came off. So those were those register rewards. Then the 5 is actually the Colgate. So I thought I didn't have the 5 off 2 digital, but I do have it. When I scanned the product in store, it did have a 5 off 2 and it connected. So that was my bad. I also have a 4 off 2 coupon that connects, but the 5 came off. So that's good. And then we had the 2 $3 coupons for each of the Venus come off and the $2 coupon for the Pantene. So the subtotal's $27.98. It should have been $22.98 with that extra $5 coupon. I am going to contact customer service and see if I can get that back. And then we had that total being $31.04 after tax. I'm also starting to accumulate quite a bit of Walgreens cash because I've been using boosters every week, which, by the way, if I kind of need to stop using boosters so I can spend some of it, but I got my $10 and plus the 50 cents that you get for using a booster, or the $10 for the booster, 50 cents for whatever, just the balance there that you get. So now I have over $50, which is awesome. I had nothing this summer and I've slowly been accumulating by using boosters. Then I also have my $10 register reward that does expire next Monday, so I got to remember to do that, for the Venus and the Gillette. $3 for the hair care purchase. So this is for, what was this for? I think this is for the Pantene. I can't remember now. I think it's for the Pantene. I did get my $5 Dove. Here it says Unilever, but I got it for the Dove products. And the $3 for the Colgate. So there you go. Not terrible, other than the $5 coupon that did not come off. I'm going to try to contact customer service and see if I can get that $5 back, since it should have come off. It's showing that it's attaching and I bought 2 products.
So I don't have anything to submit to Ibotta, but I'm going to go ahead and submit my receipt to Fetch and see what I happen to get over there. I know there is like a Unilever thing that's going on, so hopefully the Dove applies towards that and we get some money back. But I am a little disappointed that it didn't work out exactly how I expected it. We'll see if I get that $5 back, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the whole haul as if I did get that $5 coupon off, and just take that into consideration as you go to do your own haul. And I'm really, really excited. So let's do all the numbers and see where we came out.
Hey, so real quick, this is future Shana / editing Shana. While I've been working on editing this video, I did contact customer service online with Walgreens, explained about the missed coupon, and they credited my account $5 in Walgreens cash. So I did get that missing Dove coupon money back, and I still have the coupon on my account if I wanted to actually try to use it again, but I'm probably done for the week. So anyway, I am going to get that $5, and so everything is going to work out. I'm going to leave it up as it should be, but obviously watch your account, and it's super easy to contact customer service if you ever have a problem. I just got online. I just contacted them through instant messaging, told them what happened, gave them my name and phone number, and they fixed it like that. It was super easy. So if you ever have an issue, go ahead and contact customer service online. Don't worry, don't try to call them or do anything and sit on the phone and hold and all that stuff. Just contact them online through the messaging that they have, and it's really easy.